Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Disha. I'm from Dehradun. I've learned about this course through my friend, one of my friend. She's also doing the online course of this, and she recommended me this, and I'm very glad that I came here for hands-on training. It was very useful session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to thank Dr. A.V. Vani sir and this Bilmed group to giving me this such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Rohit Damor and I am working as a private practitioner at Gujarat. Till now I was not doing any clinical work, just this printing work about sonography and these things. But from now I feel confident that in future I will give clinical report appropriately. Thank you, sir.
I'm Dr. Jui from Bihar. In my area, sir's classes is not famous, but I would also guide my other friends there to please join the sir class. Sir valuable questions and his assignment is very good, very acknowledging and very knowledgeable. Thank you.